So here we are, still in Portugal for Fafe Douai. It's going to look like it's going to be a pretty hot weekend again. Dusty, tests are looking good, extreme tests looking quite technical, good enduro dig, good cross test, so the team and I are ready for it.
A em terceiro lugar, Amish McDonald. Segundo lugar, Julián. Na Bretanha, o grande vencedor, Steve.
Rightio, weekend done in Faf 2. Super stoked with my performance, especially today. Winning the class in outright second, so matching my career best result of Spain this year, so super stoked. Just felt like I was riding good and I feel like quite calculated and pushed when I needed to, and yeah, so stoked to come away with the win, and also yesterday third and fifth outright, so big improvement from yesterday. We keep improving every race, so looking forward to France in a few more weeks.
Yeah, so Fafe 2 done. Pretty happy with a 1-1 E3. P4 both days overall. Yeah, yesterday was pretty good, just missing a couple of areas. Today I made too many mistakes. The cross test was my arch nemesis, and yeah, really struggled around there, but overall pretty happy to end Portugal on a good note.